Hello friends, in this video I am going to design a network to support 5 IP phones which can be demonstrated by dialing extensions of the respective phones. This project has been done on the Cisco Packet Tracer app. Let me show you my circuitry which already I have done previously. Okay, my circuit will look like this. I connected the 5 IP phones to the switch and then a switch is connected to the router. Okay, let me create the again from the very beginning. Okay, we have to take 5 IP phones. Select 5 IP phones from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then a router has to be selected and then a switch also. So select a 2960 type switch and then select a router 2811 kind. Okay, now we have to join all these components through a wire. Select a wire. There are various types of wires available. Select a copper straight one. Okay, select the IP phone PC to the switch fast Ethernet and then select the router. I will perform the task to the each phone individually. Okay, we have to give some commands to these phones. Okay, first let me switch on the phone. So I took the help of an article in the packettracernetwork.com in order to do my project. So we have to give some commands in order to make these routers and switch and the IP phone to work. So I have to give these commands to the router. Okay, let me give those. First enable the router, which means turn on the router. Okay, just wait. Okay, enable the router. Enable. Okay, configure the terminal. Configure terminal. Okay, and then interface the fast Ethernet. Okay, and then an IP address has to be set and to be given. Okay, IP address 192.168.10.1 and then 255.255.255.0. Okay, then we have to give the command no shutdown so that the router will always be in active mode. Okay, and then I have to create a DHCP pool. Exit. Again I have to give some commands like this in order to create a DHCP pool, and then DHCP server is needed to provide each IP phone connected to the network. So first I will create a DHCP pool. IP DHCP pool. We will give, you can any name, so I will give my name, DHCP pool Praveen. So a DHCP pool named Praveen has been created, and then I have to give the network IP address, network 192.168.10.0 okay, and then to the router a default IP address has to be given. So default router, okay, 192.168.10.1, and then we have to give a command like this option 150 space IP 192.168.10.1. So this command is necessary in order for the voice over IP configuration. And then exit from this DHCP1, exit command, okay. Now we have to perform some telephony services task on the router. Again select the router, okay. Do give some telephony services task. So first we have to configure the router for the telephony services, okay. Give the telephony service command, okay, and then we have to define the maximum number of directory numbers. Since we select 5 IP phones, we have 5 number of directory numbers, okay. We have to give a command like this max tn space 5, and then we have to define a maximum number of phones we require for our project kind. We need 5 phones, right? So I will give the 5 as a number, okay, so that this command will define 5 phones. So IP address has to be given, IP source address 192.168.10. port 2000. So IP address source has been set, and then auto assign 4 to 6, so that automatically assigning next numbers to the buttons, okay. And then we have to give some another command in order auto assign 1 to 5, okay, okay. And now we have to give some commands to the switch also, so that the voice line will be configured on that switch, okay. So task 4 we have to do this, so I have to give those commands to the switch, okay. Select the switch, sorry, select the switch, this one. First enable the switch, enable, okay. Configure the terminal, configure terminal, okay. interface range of a 0/1 to 5. We have configured the interface range. Okay, and then switch port mode access. Okay, and now we have to define the LAN on which voice packets will be handled. Okay, for that we have to give some command like this: switch port voice LAN 1. This command, like I said earlier, enables the this command defines the LAN on which voice packets will be handled. Okay, and then task 4 has been performed, so we have to do another task, like to configure the phone directory for the IP phone one. Okay, for that also we have to do that on router itself. Okay, close this and open the router settings again. Okay, exit. So I have to give the commands like this in order to define the first directory entry and then assigning a phone number to that entry. Okay, let me give those commands. ephone dn space 1. This command define the first directory entry. Okay, and then a number has to be set. Number, I will set the number 45. Okay, okay. Then close this and then open this app. Check it on that. Okay, IP address has been set. See that IP address has been set, and then line number 45 has been also set. Okay, and perform the same kind of task to the remaining phones also. Okay, connect a wire PC 3, and then open the router settings. Thus our configuration has been verified, so we have to configure the phone directory for IP phone 2. Okay, exit. So I am defining the enter directory entry ephone dn, like the previous one too, and then I have to give a number to that directory. I will give the number as 90. Okay, check that. Wait. Oh, I forgot to connect this power cord to the port. That's the mistake I have done. Okay, sorry. Okay, now okay. Wait. Okay, our configuration is successful. See that IP address and then line number 90. Okay, perform the same one to the other phone also. See this. Check. I'll call to the phone one by dialing the 45. 45. See, a call has been made to this one. A call has been made to this one from the our connection has been successful. Similarly, do the okay. Similarly, do to the other phones also. Connect a wire PC to the switch. Okay. Give commands to the router. Okay. Exit. E phone DN3 number 135. Okay. Now close this and then connect this power cord to the port. Okay. See, successful. Gateway address, IP address, and line number 135 has been configured successfully. Okay, and then connect the next phone PC to the switch. Okay, and then turn it on. Okay, so the router. Okay, give the command E1 EN4. Okay, the number has to be gain number. I will give number as 180. Okay. See, successful. It is successful. Line number 180 has been set and then IP address is also set. Similarly to the next phone also. Connect the wire PC to the switch. Okay. Enable the phone. Connect the power cord. Okay. Do give some commands to the router. Exit. Okay. A phone DN5. Okay. Number. I will give number as 225. 225. Okay. Okay, wait, it will set. Okay, the connection is now successful. So we in this project we connected 5 phones to the switch, and then that switch is connected to the router. So we will verify that by calling to the phones. Okay, let me call from this. We will call to the first phone 45. Okay, the call has been made to this 45. Okay, from 135. Okay, and then to the 90. Sorry, to the 90. So a call has been made to the 90 from 135. Okay, to 180. Okay, so our we have successfully conducted our experiment. That's it, friend. Thank you.